Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I am sharing a kind of like a little mini kit that I've created, absolutely free to download if you are a member of my Facebook group. So the group's called Create with Scrimpingmommy. There is a link to the group below every single one of my videos. You're more than welcome to come along and join. It is a private closed group. And I do check all of the members before I let them in to make sure there's nobody dodgy. And what we do over there is, you know, we just share, and obviously I share my digitals that I make, and lots of the members over there support and create things using the digitals and share their other work as well. So prior to Christmas, I did the 12 weeks of Christmas where I shared a little mini kit every single week. So now we're back to normal. I'm just doing my Friday freebie for now until I come up with another little mini series that I might do. So this week I asked in the group what would they like, and we had a whole range of, of varying things from somebody said, what did somebody say? Somebody wanted cats, somebody else wanted gothic, which I don't do gothic very well. Anyway, there was absolutely heaps of ideas, so I plucked a few of the ideas and this is what I've come up with. So I've tried to keep it vintage. I don't do gunja, but it's kind of a dark vintage, I suppose. And lots of people asked for purple. I'm not a deep purple fan, but I thought, oh, we'll go for lilacs. So I've chosen the lilac flowers here and done some collaging, and we've got some butterflies. So that's the main kind of collage sheet, perfect for cutting up. Use it in your journals, make whatever you like with it. It's just a, you know, a little freebie. I like creating them because it gives me chance to just have a play with different techniques and see where I'd like to go. And sometimes I'll do a freebie and then I'll turn it into a kit at a later date because I like how it's turned out, and I'm quite liking this. So that's the main image there. We've got some lovely script and some invoices under there, and it's really lovely. And then I did just the plain collage without the main image on, so you can chop it up and use it for your own collages, or make tags or pockets, or use it as a page in a journal. Really, really versatile. Then one of my long-time friends said that she wanted some clocks with butterflies and flowers on. So I created this clock face and with different kinds of images on. So we've got them in just about 2 inches and just about 1 inch, so you should be able to punch them out with a tiny border. And then I just added some butterflies to fill the page up really, but they're the same butterflies that I've used in the images. Then I've created some lovely tags. Using the collage, it's quite an easy process. Once you've got an image created, you can just, you know, chop them up into tags, but I've done it for you so that the proportions are nice and it's just ready to go. And then this one's just an extra one that I've done from an image that I found. So these are ones that I've kind of created by manipulating images, and this is an image that I found and I've just shrunk it and changed the colouring slightly. So yeah, so these will be back every Friday over on my group. So this one's 4 page. I don't always do 4 pages. Sometimes it might only be 1 page, sometimes it might be 6 pages. It just depends on my creative juices, as it were. So if you would like to take advantage of Freebie Friday and this lovely lilac collage mini kit, come on over and join us, and you can download it. I upload them in JPEG and PDF, and you can take advantage of those freebies. So there you go. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I shall see you again very soon. Bye for now.